Dreaming of a career that pays over 1 crore rupees globally? Become a machine learning engineer. Machine learning is shaping the future with high demand, cutting-edge innovation, and salaries reaching 1 to 2 crore rupees annually in top companies like Google, Meta, and Amazon. Here's how you can start your journey. Build a foundation by learning Python, algorithms, and math basics. Master machine learning, starting with supervised and unsupervised learning. Learn industry tools like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and AWS. Work on real projects creating models for prediction, NLP, or image recognition. And finally, get certified by advancing with courses from top platforms or institutes. With these skills, you can land roles at global tech giants, fintech firms, and AI startups. Entry salaries start at 8 to 15 lakh per annum, but with expertise, you can earn 1 crore and beyond. The future is AI, and your journey starts now. Are you ready to make your mark as a machine learning engineer? Take the first step today. For more details, visit our website www.bitbaroda.com.